Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This is the Cafe model. It's got that quick release mini windscreen, two-tone paint, fantastic condition. Only 76 miles on this gorgeous Vulcan cruiser. 650 twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, great for commuting, great for you and a pal to go riding around the Bay Area. Come on by, make your Vulcan S dreams come true for just $79.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.